Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 10 September 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by around 100 points, and after the initial slip, it started recovering but remained very choppy in a range of 80 points. It maintained a bullish undertone, but attempts to break above the crucial 24,900 resistance were met with supply exhaustion, leading to consolidation near the upper band of the day. It finally closed with gains of around 100 points and formed a small body candle on the daily frame. It has shifted its base higher from the last 7 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 1.4% to 10.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.08. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300. While immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,041 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 176 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 8.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,800 for the next up move towards 25,000 levels, while support can be seen at 24,750 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,000 for an up move towards 54,500, while on the downside, support can be seen at 54,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Titagarh Rail, Amber Enterprise, Glenmark, Dr. Reddy, Mphasis, Adani Ports, IDFC First Bank and Muthoot Finance. While some weakness could be seen in Supreme Industries, Trent, Torrent Power, BDL and Syngene. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sada signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.